the skill sets that you need to use the latest automation capabilities. So, I mean, a while ago, not so long ago, if you were going to be able to build anything that you like in the contact center or for customer experience, then you're probably going to need development skills, at least to get it done. I think that's changed now, and it's changed in other industries as well. It's not just in our industry, where one of the main skill sets that you need now is fearlessness, actually, first of all. And secondly, an ability to, well, maybe even abilities, maybe wrong, maybe a sense of joy, like a getting fulfillment out of looking deep into processes and solving them. I mean, if I see the people who are really, really successful building new customer experiences now, they usually just take immense pleasure in the craftspersonship of building stuff. And I think, and it's very process oriented, because now with the advent of no code development, where you don't necessarily need to get developers and DevOps and, software projects running to build something, and where you have so much power at your fingertips, basically we've kind of given people who are process oriented and fearless a superpower now, right? They can build whatever they like. So you if you have a pen and paper or a whiteboard or the digital version of that, and you come up with something, you can build it, right? Which means that these two qualities of fearlessness and taking such great pleasure in process mapping, you can do almost anything. And we're seeing increasingly, which I think is fantastic, that a lot of people come up through the ranks in contact centers and actually start building these things. They do a training program, they learn how to link up babelforce with Zendesk or with Salesforce, or how to use an API from another component, like an artificial intelligence component, for example, and they actually build things. So I often meet people who are using our product in conjunction with other products, and they show what they've built, and it's an idea we never had. Like, we never knew that it existed in the world, that this use case could be done, and they just built it, right? And that's because they're bringing the fearlessness and the capacity for joy in making things to the table.